Hello, dear followers. Welcome to our IELTS vocabulary course, where we'll be exploring the most common topics and tasks you'll encounter in the exam. This part is both useful for the speaking and writing sections. As you know, speaking is a crucial part of the IELTS exam and is essential to prepare well to achieve your desired score. In this course, we'll be covering a range of topics that are frequently asked in the speaking test, from everyday life and work to travel and educations. As I said before, these topics can also be useful for the writing section. Well, we'll also focus on key vocabulary and collocations that will help you express yourself more fluently and accurately. By the end of this course, you'll be well prepared to tackle the speaking and writing sections of the test with confidence. So let's get started and take the first step towards achieving your IELTS goals. Here is a text about the environment. The text has been carefully chosen. It's updated. Believe me, if you read this text carefully and work on the vocabulary, collocations, and prepositions, you'll be able to cover most of what you want for the writing and speaking sections. The text has 4 paragraphs. You can see 2 of the paragraphs here, and the other 2 will be shown in the next slide. So here's the text we have. We want to go through the text and work on new vocabulary, collocations, and prepositions. I've already colored some of the prepositions here for you can see: to, on, by. Now, let me first read the text and you listen to my pronunciation. Our planet is facing a severe environmental crisis. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are major threats to life on Earth. It is imperative that we take action to protect our environment. Reducing waste is crucial. We can achieve this by recycling materials, reusing items wherever possible, and avoiding single-use products. Conserving energy and water is also essential. By making simple changes to our daily routines, we can significantly reduce our ecological footprint. Now let's get to the second slide. Furthermore, supporting sustainable businesses and consuming eco-friendly products can make a difference. Now we have eco-friendly products. This can be pronounced eco-friendly or eco-friendly, both are right. Let's continue. Protecting natural habitats and biodiversity is vital for the planet's health. We must educate ourselves and others about environmental issues and advocate for policies that prioritize sustainability. And the last paragraph, ultimately, preserving our environment is a collective responsibility. That is a very good collocation. Collective responsibility. Small actions by individuals can have a big impact when combined. Let us work together to create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Now that we have read the 4 paragraphs, we start working on new vocabulary items and collocations. Here is the list of keywords and phrases: environmental crisis, pollution, deforestation, climate change, imperative, reducing waste, recycling, reusing, single-use products, conserving energy and water, ecological footprint, sustainable businesses, eco-friendly products or eco-friendly products, protecting natural habitats, biodiversity, collective responsibility. Great. We have a list of great vocabulary items, quite useful, highly beneficial. Now here are some collocations. Face a crisis, major threats, take action, reduce waste, conserve energy, make a difference, protect natural habitats, collective responsibility. Good. Now you can see here we have the collocations, and before we had the keywords and phrases, you can see this is a quite useful text, updated. If you work on this text, work on different vocabulary and collocations, as well as the some of the important prepositions, you'll be able to cover most part of the speaking and writing sections. Now let's work on the items one by one. Here we have either explanation, definition, or sample sentences. It's very good. It's very good to learn new items in sample sentences. Now let's get to the first one. We have environmental crisis. We are facing an environmental crisis, which is a serious problem threatening the environment. Then we have pollution. Air, water, and soil pollution are all major environmental concerns. Deforestation, the permanent removal of trees to make room for something else, is a major threat to the environment. Here we have a good preposition, threat to the environment. Then we have climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Typical weather patterns. Let's get to the second slide. Imperative, reducing waste, recycling, reusing. All of these words are highly useful. Imperative, it is imperative that we take action to protect our environment before it's too late. Reducing waste is one of the most important things we can do to protect the environment. Recycling is a process of converting waste materials into new products. We can reduce waste by reusing items whenever possible. And what you can see that if you learn these words in speaking, you will be more fluent. In writing, you will have a greater choice of vocabulary items. You will have a kind of diversity in vocabulary options, alternatives. Single-use products. Avoiding single-use products is a great way to reduce waste. Conserving energy and water can help to reduce our ecological footprint. We have ecological footprint. What is that? Our ecological footprint is the measure of human demand on the Earth's ecosystems. Sustainable businesses. Wow, this word is great. Sustainable businesses are those that minimize their environmental impact. Eco-friendly products. I like this word very much. Eco-friendly products are designed to have a minimal impact on the environment. Well, this can be used in both speaking and writing sections. Protecting natural habitats. Protecting natural habitats is essential for preserving biodiversity. And what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. And here we have collective responsibility. Wow, this word is great. Protecting the environment is a collective responsibility. We all have a role to play. By the way, I need to tell you that you can use biodiversity or biodiversity, two pronunciations. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is mostly American. Well, all in all, we had 4 slides. In each slide, we had 4 new items, but actually the number of vocabulary and collocations put together are more than this, more than 16. So we had other words, useful words as well. Thank you very much, guys. This is enough for the topic environment. As I said before, this is both um, beneficial for speaking and writing sections of the IELTS test, and that's it. If you like the course, like the lessons, please subscribe to support us and wait for new lessons.